Take a look at the Nikon 850 45.7 megapixel digital SLR camera in black. This camera from Nikon comes with a 24 to 120 mm f/4G ED VR lens and APS-C sensor that captures stills and video effectively. This camera is equipped with a 3.2 inches LCD display and a video capture of 2160 pixels. The effective resolution of the camera is 45.7 megapixel and comes in a size of 30 × 26.9 × 22 centimeters and weighs 2.96 kgs. It comes with a 64 GB SD card. The box contains the Nikon 850 camera body, camera battery, battery charger, strap, manual and a 64 GB memory card. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.